Imagine nearly half the entire internet running on something you never physically touch or even directly see. That's the silent, omnipresent reality of Amazon Web Services, often known simply as AWS. Its origin story is rooted in the early 2000s, when Jeff Bezos at Amazon.com identified a deep internal need for robust, scalable computing infrastructure. Rather than build one-off systems for each project, Bezos envisioned a standardized service-oriented architecture. What began as an internal utility for Amazon's own massive e-commerce operations swiftly evolved into a revolutionary external offering, formally launched to the public in 2006. This unseen blueprint, pioneered by Bezos, fundamentally altered the technology landscape, allowing businesses of all sizes to access world-class infrastructure without the prohibitive upfront capital investment in hardware and data centers. Today, AWS stands as a colossal global entity operating across dozens of distinct geographic regions, each meticulously designed with multiple isolated availability zones to ensure maximum resilience and uptime. Within these zones reside hundreds if not thousands of individual data centers housing an astonishing number of servers, perhaps hundreds of thousands or even millions of machines, all interconnected by an unparalleled global fiber optic network. Millions of active customers ranging from nimble startups to Fortune 500 enterprises rely on AWS for everything imaginable, from simple website hosting and vast data storage solutions to cutting-edge machine learning, artificial intelligence, and advanced analytics. This invisible infrastructure daily processes trillions of requests and events, making it an indispensable foundational layer for an immeasurable number of applications and digital services that underpin our modern world. Its annual revenue streams are colossal, easily reaching into the many tens of billions of dollars each year, powerfully underscoring its immense economic significance and its commanding market leadership position. The hidden empire's pervasive grip on nearly every facet of digital life enables unparalleled innovation and provides incredible scalability on demand for thousands upon thousands of businesses across virtually every single industry sector. Without this critical underlying cloud power, much of the seamless online experience we have come to expect simply would not be feasible. It furnishes essential technological building blocks like elastic computing power, petabytes of storage, sophisticated databases, content delivery networks, and advanced networking capabilities, all instantly accessible with a few clicks. This paradigm shift from owning costly physical assets to consuming resources as a service transformed capital expenditure into manageable operational expenditure, a monumental advantage for hundreds of thousands of organizations globally. The sheer breadth, scale, and unwavering reliability of AWS continue to expand at an incredible pace, with new services and features being introduced almost weekly, further cementing its absolutely vital role as the backbone of the global digital economy. Many of the applications you use and websites you visit daily are silently powered by this very system, a testament to its deep and pervasive influence across our entire digital existence. Billions of global financial transactions happen every single second on a system you probably have no idea even exists. Amazon Web Services, known universally as AWS, is that invisible giant silently powering enormous portions of our digital world. This monumental platform now hosts over 200 distinct and fully managed services, everything from core compute and storage to advanced machine learning and even quantum computing solutions. Its global infrastructure spans 33 distinct geographic regions, comprising 105 availability zones, each a cluster of one or more data centers, geographically isolated, yet logically interconnected. These zones house countless servers, perhaps several million individual machines processing an incredible daily volume of data, potentially reaching into many exabytes. Over 1 million active customers, including government agencies, educational institutions, and nonprofit organizations, leverage AWS for their mission-critical operations. The sheer scale allows for unprecedented elasticity, permitting businesses to scale up or down resources in mere seconds, responding to unpredictable demand spikes without over-provisioning costly physical hardware. This operational agility translates into substantial cost savings, often reducing infrastructure expenses by 20 to 30% for many enterprises, freeing up capital for innovation and product development. Hundreds of thousands of developers worldwide build and deploy applications daily on AWS, its comprehensive suite of developer tools and programming interfaces, making complex tasks remarkably accessible. Cybersecurity remains paramount with AWS, investing billions annually into advanced security measures across its entire global network, protecting customer data with industry-leading compliance certifications. The platform handles sensitive data across regulated industries like healthcare, finance, and defense, underpinning secure operations for thousands of organizations. Its market share remains dominant, often exceeding 1/3 of the entire global cloud infrastructure market, a testament to its reliability and vast ecosystem. This dominance fuels an extensive partner network of tens of thousands of consulting and technology partners who extend and enhance AWS capabilities for specialized use cases. The total economic impact is staggering, generating hundreds of billions of dollars in economic output and supporting millions of jobs, both directly and indirectly across the globe. New services are introduced at a relentless pace, often dozens each year, expanding the platform's utility and maintaining its technological edge over competitors. The shift from on-premises data centers to cloud infrastructure like AWS represents a fundamental re-architecture of enterprise IT, saving companies enormous amounts of money and time. It is estimated that more than half of all corporate data will reside in the public cloud by 2025, largely driven by the compelling advantages offered by platforms such as this one. The foundational elements like virtual servers, storage buckets, and networking components are abstracted away, allowing customers to focus on their applications, not infrastructure maintenance. This robust framework facilitates innovation for countless startups and large enterprises, enabling them to bring new products and services to market with unparalleled speed and efficiency. Its environmental footprint is also a focus, with AWS committed to powering its operations with 100% renewable energy, aiming for that goal by 2025, a significant undertaking for such a massive global operation. The ongoing evolution of AWS ensures it will continue to be a pivotal force, shaping the future of technology and digital commerce for decades to come. A single strategic pivot created more wealth than many nations combined. Jeff Bezos, the visionary founder of Amazon, saw this future long before almost everyone else, envisioning Amazon Web Services as an entirely new business model back in the early 2000s. He recognized Amazon's vast internal technology infrastructure, built to handle its own massive retail operations, could be offered as a service to other companies, a radical concept at the time. This internal platform, initially meant to standardize Amazon's own scattered development efforts, began to evolve into a global technology powerhouse. Launched officially in 2006, AWS offered its first two major services, Simple Storage Service S3 and Elastic Compute Cloud EC2, providing basic compute and storage capabilities over the internet. These initial offerings, though simple, laid the groundwork for an unparalleled expansion, enabling countless startups to scale without prohibitive physical data center costs. Amazon's internal teams became AWS's first customers, refining the platform and proving its utility. The decision to open up Amazon's back-end infrastructure was met with skepticism, but Bezos' unwavering belief propelled the initiative forward. Within a few short years, AWS was generating billions in revenue, growing at rates exceeding 50% annually, sometimes 60% in early days. By 2012, it was clearly the market leader, a position largely maintained for over a decade. Its annual revenue soared past $80 billion, contributing a substantial portion of Amazon's overall operating income, despite representing only about 15% of total net sales. This astounding financial performance underscores its critical strategic importance. Tens of thousands of new features and services have been added since its inception, now totaling well over 200. From machine learning services to databases, the platform's global reach expanded exponentially, now covering dozens of regions and over 100 availability zones. Its capital expenditure runs into tens of billions of dollars each year, enabling vast expansion and technological innovation. AWS has become an indispensable backbone for millions of businesses, from small startups to Fortune 500 enterprises, processing petabytes of data every single hour across its vast network. The platform's ability to provide secure, scalable, and cost-effective infrastructure has fundamentally reshaped enterprise IT strategies worldwide. Its early mover advantage, combined with relentless innovation and a customer-centric approach, allowed it to build an insurmountable lead over competitors. This foundational shift democratized access to high-end computing resources that previously only the largest corporations could afford. The total value generated by AWS for its customers and partners is estimated to be in hundreds of billions of dollars annually, far exceeding its direct revenue. This digital empire continues to expand its influence, touching virtually every aspect of modern digital life, often without us even realizing its presence. Its commitment to sustainability includes powering operations with 100% renewable energy by 2025, an ambitious goal for such enormous infrastructure. The story of AWS is a testament to long-term vision and strategic execution, transforming a retail giant into a cloud computing titan.